Hi again. Thanks for stopping by. We are really happy you found the time. Today we're focusing on adverbs. Please remember, if you find that this video provides some value, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification button. This is an introduction to adverbs and how they are used. Make sure to stay tuned, as we have many more videos on the topic of adverbs in English coming soon. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They are used to describe how, where, when, or to what extent something is done. Adverbs can be single words, phrases, or clauses and are typically placed directly before or after the word they are modifying. In English, adverbs are an important part of speech and are used to add detail and clarity to sentences. There are many different types of adverbs, including adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and adverbs of degree. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency describe how often something occurs. Some common adverbs of frequency include always, usually, often, sometimes, and rarely. These adverbs are used to indicate the frequency with which an action takes place. For example, I always brush my teeth before bed. She usually has a cup of coffee in the morning. We often go to the beach on weekends. He sometimes gets up early to go for a run. They rarely eat meat. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe the way in which something is done. Some common adverbs of manner include slowly, quickly, loudly, softly, and carefully. These adverbs are used to indicate the manner in which an action is performed. For example, she spoke slowly and clearly. He ran quickly across the field. The dog barked loudly at the mailman. She sang softly to the baby. He painted the fence carefully. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time describe when something occurs. Some common adverbs of time include now, then, soon, later, and already. These adverbs are used to indicate the time at which an action takes place. For example, we are leaving now. She called me yesterday. I will see you soon. He will finish the project later. She has already eaten. Now for adverbs of place, they describe where something occurs. Some common adverbs of place include here, there, inside, outside, and everywhere. These adverbs are used to indicate the location at which an action takes place. For example, he is waiting for you here. The cat is hiding under the bed. She put the book on the table. The party is outside. The dogs ran everywhere. Lastly, adverbs of degree describe the extent to which something occurs. Some common adverbs of degree include very, quite, to, enough, and so. These adverbs are used to indicate the degree to which an action or quality is present. For example, she is very tired. He is quite tall. The food was too spicy. I have had enough of this. She was so happy to see him. It is important to use adverbs correctly in order to effectively convey meaning and clarity in your writing. Some tips for using adverbs effectively include: use adverbs sparingly. Adverbs can be useful for adding detail and nuance to your writing, but it is important not to overuse them. Too many adverbs can make your writing seem cluttered and difficult to read. Place adverbs correctly. Adverbs are typically placed directly before or after the word they are modifying. For example, she spoke slowly, not she slowly spoke. When using adverbs to modify verbs, adverbs are most commonly put before verbs, as in, to boldly go where no one has gone before. This takes us to the end of this video. Make sure to come back soon again.